12वीं Science Physics Superposition of Wave Introduction. In 11th standard, we have seen that definition definition of wave, a wave which is a oscillatory disturbance. When a stone thrown in water, waves are formed. Then types of wave, mechanical waves. There are two types, longitudinal waves and transverse waves. Then we have seen amplitude, frequency, wavelength, period of the waves. And then we have discussed about in 12th standard progressive wave. Questions are asked. Define progressive wave and states its properties. A progressive wave which is a continuously travels in a straight line, which is called a progressive wave. In books, a wave in which the disturbance produced in the medium travels given a direction continuously without damping and obstruction from one particle to another particle, means these waves travels along a continuously same direction. For example, the sound waves, which is a wave which consisting alternate compression and rarefactions and which travels along in the same direction of propagation of the waves. Then next point, properties of progressive waves. Each wave in medium exert same types of vibrations. Then second points, all particles of the mediums having the same amplitude and period and frequency. And third property, the state of vibrations of the particles changes from one point to the another points, means in that three properties, amplitude, frequency and periods are same. And then third property is the state of vibrations of particle changes from one point to the another point. And next point, no particle remain permanently at a rest. Next point, the particles attain maximum velocity when they are passed in mean position, means at mean position the particles of velocity is a maximum, and at extreme position the velocity of particles is a minimum. Next point, during the propagation of wave the energy is transferred along the wave. In that progressive wave energy is transferred, but in progressive wave there is no transfer of matter. Next point, the wave propagate through a medium with a certain velocity, means in progressive wave the particle of the velocity having a certain velocity. This velocity depends upon the propagation of the wave of the medium. And next point, progressive waves having of two types. First types is transverse wave and second point is longitudinal wave. In transverse wave, vibrations of particles are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave, means in that types in transverse wave the propagation of particles vibrates perpendicular to the propagation of wave and which produce alternate crest and trough. But in longitudinal waves, in that longitudinal wave the vibrations of the particles produces compressions and rarefactions and particles are vibrates parallel to the propagation of the waves. And next point, in mechanical waves are transfer from in which can passes in solid.